All right, people. Earlier we had spoken about how you can automate the process of your table of content by first making sure that your chapters are numbered appropriately, or sorry, they're edited appropriately. And we talked about how you can actually uh, make sure that they are in heading 1. Right now, because I'm around the text area, which you can see my cursor is kind of little, so that's why it is showing at normal. But the chapters are supposed to be in heading 1, the sub chapters are supposed to be in heading 2, and the sub chapters are supposed to be in heading 3. So after you must have done all these things, and remember I told you that you need to press Control H and a dialog box displays here that you would a dialog box display. You can bring it to the side, then you use that dialog box in editing your various sections. Let me take this out. So after you must have done that, after you must have succeeded in editing both your sections or chapters and sub-chapters and sub-chapters, all you just need to do is the last point of it. You take your cursor to insert. After getting to insert, then you bring it down to page elements. At page elements, you see table of contents. It's because I've already inserted mine. That's why it is showing like this. Then the option is there. I think you just pick the first option after the table of content, and immediately everything about your book will come to your TOC, which is your table of content. And by so doing, you are done. Automatically, instead of typing your table of content, looking at the page where it is on your document before coming back to type it. And you can imagine that this book now is over uh, 79 pages or thereabout. Let me see. Yeah, 97 pages, sorry. This book is 97 pages. So you see that there's a lot of work to do if I say I want to follow it one after the other and come and do the numbering. Now see how this method that I'm teaching you actually aligns everything perfectly, following the page numbers exactly as it is in the book. So if you want to learn this process, how to make or develop your own book with human in the loop, not just AI generated. You use AI, but human in the loop, you'll be the one guiding it appropriately before getting what you actually want. If you really want to develop such and guide it properly and get to this point, because there's a little work you will need to do using your Google Docs or your Microsoft 365. If you want to learn how to do it and make sure that your book meets or match with Amazon standard, Amazon KDP standard, kindly reach out to me. I'll be right here willing to help and support you grow. Yeah, for now, I will have to say bye-bye. Kindly share, kindly like, comment any question you want to have more knowledge on. Bye-bye.